Gates open, they're up and racing. Elgin and Chairman moving up. Hail Star, Classical J, then running by the rail. Queen Alicia is sneaking in down on the inside. Action Sailor expecting Kaitlyn Isari outside. Da Vinci, Anonymous third last. Treasured Act and Tiger Wood is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile pole, Hail Star in command by a length, then by the Rail Queen Alicia in between runners, Classical Jade running on the outside, expecting Caitlin, then followed by entry number 1, Action Sailor, pass approaching on the outside of Vinci, then comes Anonymous, Treasured Act, then second last Elgin and Chairman, while Tiger Woods still running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Hail Star still leading the field by half length. Da Vinci sneaking in down on the inside, expecting Kaitlyn Isari outside third, then followed by Classical Jade. Action Sailor racing in fifth as the action turns to the last 450. Da Vinci now leading the field, followed by Hail Star, expecting Kaitlyn. Classical Jade is by the rail. Action Sailor, Elgin and Chairman is on the outside with 150 to go in this race. Da Vinci now by about 2. Hail Star fighting back once again on the outside and moving up on the outside, Elgin and Chairman, and finally Da Vinci. Close for second between Elgin and Chairman. Hail Star, then comes Action Sailor. Close between Tiger Wood, number 7, Anonymous, and Classical